These species, Humboldt species, they were actually rescued from a facility from the Middle East, and they didn't have their ideal conditions. So Vantara had to interrupt and intervene and actually rescue them. And we brought them here for rehabilitation, where we have given them the ideal conditions to live happily. Basically, these Humboldt penguins are not like the other species. They are basically tropical species, and these penguins that are right now under our care, they can adapt to tropical, climatic conditions. So they don't need, like snow and things like that. What we maintain is normal, water parameters, where it's very critical to have ammonia and nitrite-free water. So we have a filtration system that takes care of that, where all the biomechanical filtration is done, and so the biological filtration takes care of all the ammonia and nitrate levels. So we try to maintain them at optimum levels, and the optimum levels of temperature for these species is about 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. So at any given time, we maintain it at about 12 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for them.
When they arrive first, they are very dressed, and you could see the trace in their eyes, posture, and in overall condition. Few of them are underweight, and some are heavier than they should be, and those are showing the signs of the first grade bumblefoot also. So we acted on this. So instead of the microchips, we use the color coding tags just to monitor their individual activity, also the feed intake and their breathing patterns. Followingly, we did the health screening, including the X-ray imaging, blood analysis, PCR tests, and some rapid tests. So when the results came, we shocked, because the WBC count is so high, and the X-rays are showing their air sacs are hazy and cloudy, so it's suggesting the infection is already settled.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मुकेश कुमार है। मैं यहाँ वंतारा में केयर गिवर हूँ। जब यहाँ पेंगुइन आए थे तो हर एक की हालत अलग अलग थी। हमने और डॉक्टर ने मिलके उनका चार्ट अलग अलग बनाया था। हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि किसको कितना ग्राम खाना खिलाना है। खाने के समय पे उसका मूड भी समझ में आता है। कोई थोड़ा स्लो दिखता है तो कोई ज़्यादा एक्टिव दिखता था।
Behavior can't be measured by the machine, but it's the small change. The ones who are used to be isolated in the corners, now they join the group, and those who are sitting for the long hours in the corner, those are now following the cues. It's the emotional change. Over the time, we begin to noticing these changes are slowly, and they are now more vocal, interactive, and even they now started to diving into the water. So it's the recovery process.
जब पेंगुइन यहाँ पहली बार आए थे तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी। पहली बार ऐसे जीव की देखभाल कर रहा था जो ना सिर्फ अलग था बल्कि बहुत नाजुक भी था। शुरू में मुश्किल जरूर था, लेकिन मैंने पढ़ाई की, डॉक्टरों से बात की और लोगों के साथ समय बिताया, और धीरे धीरे हर चीज़ सीखता गया। इनके खाने से लेके इनके व्यवहार तक हर छोटी सी बात समझता गया। आज उनका ख्याल उसी तरह रखता हूँ जैसे घर के किसी सदस्य का रखते हैं।
They are stable now, much stronger, much healthier. Their blood values consistently come into the normal range. Their body weights are in healthy range, and they are much vocal, curious, and interactive.
कभी ये पत्थरों पे चढ़ते हैं, कभी पानी में तैरते हैं। आपस में एक दूसरे से आवाज़ लगाते हैं और एक दूसरे के पीछे भागते हैं जैसे कोई खेल रहे हो।
Their trace markers are significantly dropped down, but we still work on it, and we committed for their well-being.
ये सब मेरे परिवार जैसे हैं। हर एक को ध्यान से देखा, उनका नेचर, उनका एनर्जी कैसे चलते हैं, उसी हिसाब से उनके नाम रखे हैं। नीर, तारा, अनय, अभय, वीर। किसी में शांति थी, किसी में चंचलता, और कुछ तो ऐसे थे जो सबका ध्यान रखते थे। ऐसा लगता है मैंने जैसे कोई रिश्ता बनाया है।